There has been a significant increase in COVID-19 cases in Ceredigion recently.
We, the under-25s, continue to be the group with the highest number of cases.
There is also an increase in the number of cases in the over 60s.
It's never too late to get a vaccine. It will give us, our families and our communities the best protection as we face the winter.
If someone in your home is self-isolating, keep as much social distance as possible, wash your hands and make sure your home is well ventilated.
If you develop any symptoms, you must self-isolate immediately and arrange a test by calling 119.
The main symptoms include high temperature, persistent new cough and loss or a change in taste or smell. Symptoms can also appear similar to flu.
Getting vaccinated saves lives.
Let's keep respecting each other by washing our hands regularly, wearing masks where necessary, and keeping social distance from others.
Let's all do our part to keep Ceredigion safe.